got no seeds in it. Okay. Well, we get some for some minute. Oh, hungry.
Oh, that's worth more than $10 too.
Fire.
Go here, go here, go here.
Hey, Will! What? Hey!
Huh?
I will. Horsey. Hey, John. Let him do it.
Huh?
Let him do it. Come here. Let them look.
Maybe they're hunting their own eggs. I mean, my goodness. They're hunting their own eggs. I mean, she's smart. She knows where the eggs are.
Lawnmower washing machine.
Go get the lawnmower. Whoa, what's this shrub right here mean? That's a pretty plant right there. That must be one of Easter flowers. Get that chemical with me.
Well, you follow the kids. I'm following the kids too.
Yeah, I'm not really following the kids. I'm Alina. Hey, aren't you supposed to bring your shoes inside? Your shoes, baby.
Will, ain't you supposed to ride this little rocking horse?
Ain't you supposed to bring your shoes inside?
What?
Ain't you supposed to ride that
Ain't
horse?
you supposed to bring your
What?
shoes?
That horse.
Oh my God, my shoes! You got them out for shoes, didn't you? Listen. God dang it. Where are you cheating? You cheated?
Is anybody sad?
Oh, no. Yes.
Yeah, I see some.
Listen, come here.
I see two
Now,
by the
what
washing
do
machine.
What do you think people are going to do with all this junk? Take them back in. You got to make sure that...
Well, people, you see two?
All the tires are up on his thing, so he takes off with it. Sissy. I see 6.
Whoa.
6. I think I know where 6 is at. Sissy, look at this lawnmower. Sissy, you and people ride this lawnmower all the time, don't you? All the time. He puts his cup in here with his...
Look, Will. I used to wash clothes in that washing machine.
You used to wash clothes in the washing machine.
Boy, you don't catch a hint worth crap, does he? You blonde.
Now he got all that around the swimming pool.
Yeah, that's good. I tell you what, this is good Easter day today.
Well,
That's
I got.
what helps keep us cool in the house.
Oh, yeah.
I found your bait. What's that? One more, yep.
Have one!
That's what I'm talking about.
You don't know it yet.
But she did.
Not so fast.
Oh shit, he turned it one time, didn't
Do y'all remember where y'all put them?
he? Yep. Hey, probably didn't find them all.
I didn't hide any of
All right, let's count them.
Alright, let's count the eggs.
There should be 40 at least.
them. Did y'all hide the real ones?
Yeah.
I want some
These y'all better find them boiled eggs, man.
Yeah, there's some of those.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh, wait. Who's even count with who?
All right, you sit over there and count. I'll count with Lena.
Count me count. Okay.